Hey guys, what's going on and welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be a minor upgrade that you guys can do at home with one tool and your hands, and it will greatly improve the appearance of your truck. Now, I have a Chevy Silverado Custom Edition. This is not the highest trim level you guys can get of the truck, so it is missing some minor features that make a world of improvement. An upgrade that you guys can do to Chevys, GMCs, Fords, even a Tacoma if you guys bought a vehicle and it was missing this critical component. If we come over here to this side, the side that I haven't done yet, you guys will notice that this is the wheel well of the front of the vehicle, and it has this nice carpeted material in here that deadens the sound, and it protects the wheel well whenever the truck is going off-road and launching dirt all the way around. Now, if I come to the back of the vehicle, this is what the factory came with. It came with nothing. As you guys can see here, there are holes. So this could have easily been done from the factory, but it was not done with this particular package. So today what we're going to be doing is installing a piece from Rough Country. This is called the Fender guard, and it goes underneath the wheel well. It protects it from launching rocks and dinging the underside of your vehicle, and it also makes the appearance look complete. Let's go ahead and check out the driver's side, that way you guys can see what it looks like after, and then I'll show you how to install it. Here it is on the driver's side of the vehicle. As you guys can see here, it completes the look of the vehicle. Now, I know a lot of people are going to be saying, well, you know, you could have bought a rattle can and you guys could have sprayed it, or since you had your truck Line-X, you guys could have Line-X this. All of that costs more than what this was, except for the can one. But there's a big problem with the can one. The can one is really, really shoddy. I've done it before with my old Chevy, and it just peeled off after 10,000 miles, and it looked really, really blotchy. And I wanted something that could really protect it like this. And as you guys can see with that plastic material, when it's launching rocks up, I won't be hearing the ding from the metal. I'll be hearing maybe, if that, inside the truck. I may not be hearing anything. So that is awesome. This is exactly what I was looking for, and it really completed the look of the vehicle. It keeps it nice and clean, and this gap piece right here fills in the body, so it prevents you from seeing the frame of the bed, and it looks really, really good for the $100 that it cost. So let's go ahead, show you guys just how easy it is to install, and you guys will be picking yourself up a set of these. What you guys are going to want to do is clean the inner fender well of your truck. Now, this channel is not Ammo NYC. I'm not OCD. I don't have OCD cleaning habits, so I'm not going to go overboard and clay bar this and do all that crazy nonsense. I just want it to be somewhat clean. That way the vehicle stays protected a little bit longer. So now you guys are going to take a 15 millimeter. This is only applicable if you guys have these mud flaps on the front. And what you're going to do is remove all four of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take these 4 out, and then you're going to slide in your liner. 4 T15s removed. You guys can grab your mud flap and pull it off. It comes off really, really easy. If you guys have any trouble, just give it an extra yank and it'll just come right out. Now I'm going to go ahead and just clean that up a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and slide in the wheel liner. So this is the wheel liner right here. You guys are going to grab it right in the middle, and then you're going to approach it at an angle. I'd like to approach this angle right here. So you'll pick it up just like so, get it over the wheel. You guys can see over here, I'm going to get it over the wheel just like that. Make sure you guys lift it up. It's plastic. It's not the end of the world if it bends. You're going to have to bend it to get it in there anyways. And then when this side is in, you guys are going to come over here to the back side and then twist it up in there. Now, the reason they say to remove your tire is because if you guys have OCD like Ammo NYC, you will be afraid of the plastic touching the body, the paint of the vehicle. But as you guys can see here, if you do it correctly, you don't have to worry about that. And now that it's in there, you just begin to lift it up and then work your way into the hole. See how easy that is just to get it in? So I'm going to go ahead and continue pushing on this just a little bit more, and it will go in nice and flush. Now before you guys get your wheel liner in here, you're going to want to remove these plugs. There's two of them, one over here and one all the way over here, just like that. Now with the plugs removed, you guys can get your wheel liner in position, and then just keep, like I said, keep working it in just like that, and the whole system will go right into place. Now with the wheel liner in position, you guys can see here everything has been tucked in nice and neat. You're going to go ahead and start with reinstalling the mud flap. Once the mud flap is installed, all the other push pins will go in perfectly. From experience, what I found, this last one is the easiest to install after you've installed the other three. Always make sure you guys start it off by hand and then use your tools to get them all in. Now these are the trees that come with the set. They're all big with the exception of one of them that is almost half the size. The very, very small one is going to be used for this one right here. So let's go ahead, get the big ones in, and then the whole project will be done. And there you guys have it. That is a complete install. Looks nice, crisp, clean, and more importantly, it'll keep the truck protected. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like the content of this video, give it a like. And if you guys are interested in more projects that I'm going to be working on, such as the Mini Cooper Giant Panda project, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, take care guys, and as always, take your time.